Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all parents and my dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do Sound English page number 7. Open your Sound English book, page number 7. Today we will read sound of C, K. C sounds K, K sound K. When we combine these two sounds, it will become K. C, K, K. What is the sound of C, K? K. Now look at the first picture. Yes, who is he? He is a man and he is holding a sack on his back. So let's start. You will read bold words with sounds. Look at your book and read bold words with sounds. A, k, sack. K, sack. A sack on a back. Back. A sack on a back. A sack on a bag. Now look at the next picture. What is it? Yes, it is a sock. If there will be more than one sock, then you will say socks. But here is only one sock, so you will say sock. Let's read bold words in sounds. A, sock. Sock is written in bold words in your book, so you will read it with sound. A, sock. On a rack. A sock on a rack. Sock, rack. A sock on a rack. Look at the next picture. What is it? Yes, it's a cock. So let's read a cock on a rock, where it is standing on a rock. So how we will read? A cock on a rock. A cock on a rock. Look at the next picture in your book. Yes, it's a deck of ship. So how you will read it? With sounds. A deck. A deck. Now come to the next picture. What is it? It's a tack. What is it? It's a tack. It's like a thumb pen. You can paste something on board with the help of tack. So how you will read? Tack. Repeat it again. Tack. Look at the next picture. What is it? Yes, again it's a sock. So repeat its sound. Sock. Look at the next picture. Yes, the arrow is towards the neck. So how you will read it? Neck. Repeat it again. Neck. Now look at the next picture. What is it? Yes, it's a lock. So how you will read the sound of lock? Lock. Now look at next picture. What is it? It's a duck. So how you will read it? Duck. Look at the next picture. Peck. Now come to the next picture. It's a kick. Kick. Now the girl is licking the ice cream. So what is it? It's lick. Yes, the boy is sucking the ice cream. So how you will read with the sounds? Suck. Now here is a sick man. So how you will read the word with sounds? Sick. He is not well. He is sick. Sick. Yes, it is a mark of tick. So how you will read it? Tick. Yes, it's a wick of candle. So how you will read it? Wick. Yes, here a child is picking the fruit. So how you will read the sounds? Pick. revise all these words with proper sounds, and after revising say Alhamdulillah, Allah Hafiz.